everybody. My name is Surbhi. I'm a principal architect of Surbhi RG Architects, which is a architectural studio based in Mumbai. Today I'm here to walk you through one of our very first projects at our studio. So come on in. The only brief that we got in the beginning of the project is keep it clean and keep it contemporary. We've used a shade of white to make the space seamlessly move into one another, flow into one another. We've used a shade called White Glory of Asian Paints, which is my personal favorite shade of white. It actually makes the space look so bright, open and clean, and then we've added few other elements in the house which add in the drama and the experience to the house. The first thing that you see when you enter this space is our living room, which also extends into our dining space. We have a very open floor plan in terms of living and dining, though these spaces are completely different functionally, but they still flow into one another, merge into one another spatially, also because of this one element which is the longest wall of our house. This wall ties these two spaces together, our living and dining, so we wanted to actually frame the wall itself. So we created these beautiful moldings and framed the wall, finished it with PU paint, and we've used a shade called Pigeon Crest of Asian Paints to finish it, and this makes our wall an accent wall of the house. Okay, now let's talk about the most important part of the project, which is our whites, the shades and the textures of white that we've used. First being the flooring, we've used this beautiful white Italian marble which has a wavy pattern on it and a tint of peach and a tint of green in it. We finished it with mirror polish, which actually highlights our flawless white. We've played a little bit with our floor. We've added a touch of gold with brass to break the continuity of the floor, because we wanted to define the functional difference between these two spaces in a very subtle way, but at the same time we didn't want the transition between these two spaces to be very rigid, so we've added this flowy element swing as a transition between these two spaces, so that maintains the openness of the space and also adds in some furniture to it. We've used reverse fluted panel on this wall. It kind of gets the rhythm to the surface and makes our white flow. We've also used the same paneling to create our TV unit. We have this beautiful element at the entrance of our house, which is a blend of metal finished with gold and a transparent glass. We wanted our entrance to be lit and inviting, so we've created this element where we can actually keep a lot of diyas and candles at the entrance. Taking you to our dining space, which is the heart of our house. It's the most vibrant space here. Our dining space is actually dominated with our custom-made dining table, where we've used a combination of white, peach and red. We've complemented it with these chairs, which bring in the blue of the wall and the red of the dining table together. We also have a crockery unit which accompanies our dining table in this space, and also we finished it with this big mirror which actually reflects this beautiful light that we have and also doubles this space. So we've enhanced our white corridor with our old family pictures, which we framed it here, and we also have this cozy corner for our wash basin in this area. So this is our master bedroom. We wanted to create a very warm and a cozy experience here. So we've used a very light color palette here. We've used a pastel peach and we've used a mint green color, which also highlight our white fluted panel here. We've complemented it with these transparent lights which create interesting reflections on the wall. So in this bedroom, we were trying to play with the color teal to create a calming and a refreshing experience, more like a sea or a sky. So our teal color actually starts at this black edge, goes on the wall, merges with the ceiling, and it ends at the bottom of the beam, which is again a black edge. We've also used a darker shade of the teal to highlight the handle of the wardrobe, which again gets infused into the design of the wardrobe itself. We've topped the entire room up with the mustard accent chair and also a mustard cushion. In this room, we've tried to play with the geometry to create the experience of the balance and proportions. We've actually grooved this entire wall to create a grid and then finished it with black PU paint. Then we have this fun element on the wall, which is our world map, and then you can keep adding the names of the countries you've already visited. We've complemented it with this fluted headboard. Then we have this crimson red huge wardrobe, which we've used to create a dramatic experience in the room, and we've framed it with metal gold finish handle.